Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial that introduces metaphactory's vocabulary management interface and demonstrates how existing vocabularies can be explored. So, let's dive right in and have a look at the vocabularies that have been loaded in our metaphactory instance. As you can see, the vocabulary catalog is quite similar to the ontology catalog. We have one vocabulary loaded in this metaphactory instance, called role vocabulary. Similarly to the ontology catalog, in the vocabulary catalog, we see some metadata for each vocabulary, for example, the number of terms, and how many are top-level terms. Let's have a more detailed look at the role vocabulary. On the left, we see a panel to explore the terms and collections in this vocabulary. The Terms tab displays the terms in the vocabulary in a tree, according to their hierarchical structure. Collections are used to organize and group terms under a common label. At the top of this panel, we can look at the metadata available for this vocabulary, for example, add a creation date, a creator, a contributor, or a publisher. For vocabularies created within Metafactory, the creator and contributor will automatically be pre-filled with the user who initially created it. However, we can still edit or extend this afterward. Additionally, every time a new user contributes to or modifies the vocabulary, this will also be automatically captured in the provenance metadata. If we click on one of the terms in this vocabulary, for example, product developer, we see its identifier and all of the information related to this term, such as the preferred label. If there are hierarchies in the vocabulary, and if the term is part of a hierarchy, a collection, or if it has any other relations to other terms, we will see that on the right. One more thing that is worth mentioning is the activity panel. You will see this panel for the vocabulary itself, as well as for individual terms. The activity panel captures changes as the vocabulary evolves, such as, for example, creation and modifications, who and when these were performed. Finally, we can search terms using the search bar on the left panel. For example, you can search for architect and all hits are shown below. And this concludes our intro to vocabulary management. In the next session we will create a vocabulary using Metafactory. Thank you for watching.